Pero ayun na naman, ang sikip na naman sa ilalim. Pinalpal ni Marlo Aquino si Kevin Holland. Gordon's Gin ay lamang. Naku, gumagana rin si Pino Harencio.
Ayan ang delikado.
Nakita si Pino Harencio sa harap. Reverse layup by Pino Harencio. Back-to-back hits. Holland still on top of him. Oh, off the glass. Noli Locsin. Barrientos binigyan ng pick. Good handoff to Kevin Holland. Pero nabitawan ang bola ni Kevin Holland at point-blank range. Magandang gabi muli Pilipinas. Ito po si Ed Pigson at si Ginito Henson nagmumula sa Araneta Coliseum. Kasama po ang sandamukal na tao na nagpunta rito mga kaibigan. Samantala sa Chris King, kanina po nakita ninyo nung naglalagot na para sa Gordon's Gin. Magandang assist kay Vince Season. He's been doing everything. There's a steal by Chris King. At umiscore din po ito ng 8 points in the first quarter. That's one of his 3-point shots. And another assist here to Marlo Aquino. Pinpoint accurate assist by Chris King. He's doing a lot for Gordon's Gin.
Partner, kanina nakita natin yung low post play. Chris King passing it off to Marlo Aquino. You asked the question, sino naman ang ito-double team ng Alaska? Si Chris King sa labas o si Marlo Aquino sa loob? You cannot double team both. Kaya yun ang nangyayari. Chris King having a field day looking for Marlo Aquino inside the paint at low post.
Pero maganda dyan kasi gumagana yung laro ni Chris King, gumagana ang laro ni Marlo Aquino, kanya't ang Gordon's Gin ay lamang. Naku, gumagana rin si Pino Harencio.
Ayan ang delikado. Kung yung mga malalaki ng Gordons, naipapasok nila yung kanilang mga tira, and then you have Pino Harencio catching fire outside, mahirap na to.
5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Nakita po ninyo ang 3-point field goal shooting ng Gordon's Gin against Alaska. At si Jojo Lastimoso babalik po para sa Alaska Milk. Nilaban si Merwin Castelo. 5 minutes and 18 seconds remaining in the second quarter. It's an 8-point lead para sa Gordons at 44-36. Medyo pilit yung tirang yun ni Kevin Holland. Noli Locsin with a big rebound. Nakita si Pino Harencio sa harap. Reverse layup by Pino Harencio. Back-to-back hits by Harencio. He's got 7 points all scored here in the second period.
Partner, yan ang championship experience ni Pino Harencio. He's been here before. He joined the Latondenya franchise back in 1992.
At 10 ang lamang ng Gordons. Johnny Barrientos retaliates with a jumper from the outside. 46-38. Lamang ang Gordons ng 8.
And JV Gayoso slowing down the pace. Ito, hahanapin nila si Chris King. Magpo-post up naman ngayon si Chris King.
Ayun na naman ang double team ni Kevin Holland. Locsin inside. Good pump fakes by Noli Locsin. Everybody is contributing on the side of Gordon's Gin. At 10 na naman ang kanilang kalamangan over Alaska at 48-38.
Mabilis ang galaw ng mga player ng Gordons off the double team on Chris King.
Maganda pasa ni Kevin Holland underneath to Jojo Lastimoso. The basket is counted. At meron pang foul na tatawagin lamang kay JV Gayoso. Second personal foul ni JV Gayoso at panlima yan na team foul ng Gordon's Gin. So meron pang isang free throw para kay Jojo Lastimosa as the lead is down to 8. Nakikita po ninyo si Tim Cone, kinakausap si Dwight Lago, giving him instructions. Jolas completes the 3-point play and the lead of Gordon's Gin is 7 points, 48-41. Meron pa tayong 4 na minuto na nalalabay dito po sa ating pangalawang yugto ng game number 2.
Ito yung mga adjustments ni Coach Robert Jaworski. Ito si Chris King is now bringing up the ball. Kanina nakita natin si Harencio. Kanina nakita natin si JV Gayoso. Si Chris King naman, kumukul na naman.
Triple team po ang nakakover doon kay Chris King. Off balance yung tira. Pero pumasok at nakakuha pa ng foul galing kay Dwight Lago. Ito makikita ninyo. 3 na yung lumapit dyan. Dwight Lago picks up a foul. Chris King now with a possible 3-point play.
Well, ibang klaseng import ito si Chris King.
Oh.
And kasi nakita niya that playing low post, he's double team, he always has to give up the ball. Hindi na siya makakaskop. Kanya sabi niya, ako na lang ang magdadala ng bola. I will create a scoring opportunity for me. Ayan ang nakita natin, 3-point play for Chris King.
Dwight Lago binigay kay Bong Hawkins. Johnny Barrientos comes out. Medyo masikip sa loob. Jojo Lastimosa has it. Jumper ni Jonas, mahina. Nakakuha ni Chris King.
Partner, walang spacing ang offensive formation ng Alaska because napakalaki ang mga player ng Gordon's Gin patrolling the shaded area.
JV Gayoso. Humihingi na pasa si Noli Locsin. Yes! Nakaramdam siya ng mismatch. Si Jojo Lastimosa nagbabantay sa kanya and he powered himself in. We have a timeout by Alaska Milk. Lamang po ng 12 puntos ang Gordons as you look at si Onyok Mansueto Velasco and his family. Kanino kaya ito?
Yung dalawang anak niya.
Well,
Tsaka
sinabi nga
kanyang
natin.
may bahay na si May.
Oo, sinabi nga natin kinito itong Araneta Coliseum punong-puno ngayon ng tao. I haven't seen the Big Dome as this full since the Toyota Crispa days. Jojo Lastimosa, Bardias throw and misses the shot. Wilmer Ong para sa rebound for Gordon's Gin. Binigay kay Pito Harencio. Harencio against Johnny Abarientos. Oop. Marlo Aquino asking for a pass. Nalabas muna kay Wilmer Ong. Harencio ngayon binigay kay Marlo Aquino. There's a double team by Bong Hawkins. Nalabas kay JB Gayoso. Open for the three. Medyo malakas. Poch Winyo grabs the rebound para sa Alaska Milk. Jojo Lastimosa forward to Kevin Holland pero mabilis na bumaba sa depensa ang Gordon's Gin. Bong Hawkins lamang kay Gayoso. Poch Winyo balik kay Hawkins.
Matindi yung depensa ng
Oo,
Gordons.
masikip na masikip. Winyo is open for a jumper pero hindi pumapasok yung mga long shots, yung mga outside shots ng Alaska Milk.
Masikip talaga sa loob. And Alaska, hindi sila pwedeng mag-penetrate. Ito naman yung tira.
Medyo malakas din yung tira ni Noli Locsin.
At medyo nagmadali si Noli Locsin in that shot.
Oo.
He didn't wait for his teammates to form yung kanilang offensive formation.
It's a 12-point lead by Gordon's Gin with 2 minutes remaining dito po sa ating second quarter. Abarientos binigyan ng pick. Good handoff to Kevin Holland pero nabitawan ang bola ni Kevin Holland at point blank range.
Yun ang masakit. Nandun na sana, pero hindi pa pumasok yung tira. Kevin Holland was set up for that supposedly easy layup shot.
Ang ganda ng pasa na ni
Oo.
Johnny Abarientos. Hinayang na hinayang siya.
At play yun ha, coming from the
Oo.
weak side.
Noli Locsin against Holland. Dinabas kay Gayoso. Here's Pito Harencio. Double team on Harencio. Holland high up for that rebound. Binigay kay Johnny Abarientos. 53-41. Medyo napapako tayo sa score na ito. 12 puntos sa kalamangan ng Gordon's Gin with a minute and 19 seconds remaining ngayon. Johnny Abarientos bounce pass to Poch Winyo. Binigay kay Jojo Lastimosa. Medyo masikip na naman. Malalaki ang tao doon. And a 3-second violation is called in Alaska.
Yun ang sinasabi
Matindi
natin
depensa
kanina.
talaga.
Yes. At yung spacing nila, walang spacing because napakalalaki yung mga player ng Gordon sa loob.
Well, maganda yung play kanina, Kinito.
Oo.
Maganda yung pasahan. Kanya lang, wala talagang pagkakataon si Jolas para tumira doon dahil lang nasa harapan niya si Marlo Aquino at si Wilmer Ong.
Exactly. Yung awesome front line ng Gordon's Gin, yung kanilang interior defense. At ang Alaska naman, nakita nila na medyo hindi pumapasok yung ng mga outside shots.
Wilmer Ong, sinalubong ni Poch Winyo sa itaas at tatawagan ng foul si Poch Winyo. Winyo picks up his second personal foul at pang-apat na team foul ng Alaska Milk dito po sa second quarter. Lamang pa rin ng 12 ang Gordon's Gin at 53-41.
Ayan si Coach Robert Jaworski giving instructions to Pito Harencio at tinawag din ni Coach Jaworski si Gayoso for some words of instructions. Ito naman si Chris King, he can afford.
Oh, sitting pretty.
Malaking bagay ito for Coach Robert Jaworski.
At si Coach Tim Cone naman medyo balisang-balisa ngayon at problematic. Lumalaki na, lumolobo na ang kalamangan ng Gordon's Gin. It now stands at 14 points at 55-41. Less than a minute to go in the second quarter. Bong Hawkins ngayon lamang kay Wilmer Ong. Hawkins, good head and shoulder fake. Pero ayun na naman, ang sikip na naman sa ilalim. Pinalpal ni Marlo Aquino si Kevin Holland. Noli Locsin naman.
At si Holland naman na matatawagan ng foul.
Napo-frustrate na si Kevin Holland.
He has been frustrated from the first quarter.
Eto, tinan natin ito. Maganda yung head and shoulder fake ni Bong Hawkins.
At partner yung
maganda
help
yung play.
defense. Yung help defense. Tapos si Marlo Aquino.
Tumalikod lang eh.
Oo. Ibang klase din ito si Marlo Aquino, the way he plays defense or the way he has played defense sa final series na to.
30-second timeout is called by Gordon's Gin with only 34 and a half seconds remaining dito sa ating pangalawang yugto. Lamang po ng 14 ang Gordon's Gin at 55-41. At sa ilang sandali lamang mga kaibigan, pakinggan natin ang huddle ng Gordon's Gin.
We will go for our cycle. Why? If we can waste 20 seconds before we attack, that's the best. So they have only 10 seconds to recover. If they don't score and we don't score, we'll be happy. So cycle tayo. Malo, start on top. Okay? Down, up, back pick, tapos malo curl. Ha? Gamit sa oras, ha? Cycle tayo.
Okay, na instruction ni Coach Jaworski na gumamit sila ng shot clock. No? They've got the 24-second shot clock, 34 seconds on the game clock. At ayun, nakikita natin yung mga fans ng Gordon's Gin ba? Kalumpit loves Gordon. Yun.
1-for-1 possession with 34 seconds to go. At sabi naman ni Coach Robert Jaworski, eat up the time, tapos mabibigyan ng konting extra pressure pa ang Alaska to try to score before the half ends.
Ito si Marlo Aquino, binigay kay Noli Locsin, binabantay ni Kevin Holland, kumat si Pido Harencio pero hindi pinaso ni Noli. Locsin now attacks. Holland still on top of him. Oh, off the glass, Noli Locsin. Eksakto yung instructions ni Coach Jaworski. Noli Locsin has 12 points in this quarter alone. Pochino powering his way in and Kevin Holland with the tip in. At dyan po nagtatapos mga kaibigan ng unang 24 minutos ng game number 2 of the Championship Series for the 1997 Commissioner's Cup. Lamang ng 14 puntos, Gordon's Gin.
Alam mo, itong Gordons, napakainit ng kanilang umpisa dito sa laro sa game number 2 ng finals ng 1997 PBA Commissioner's Cup. Tingnan natin ang kanilang highlights. Alam mo, itong si Baldabin, inumpisahan ang pag-asulto sa loob ng depensa ng Alaska. Drop-off ni Hizon kay Marlo Aquino. At sa labas naman ay kumana itong si Chris King. Chris King with 14 points and a team high 6 rebounds. So napakaganda lang umpisa ng mga key players ng Gordon's Gin sa ating first half. Pero going into the third period, alam lang malaki yung kanilang lamang at meron silang tendency na maging mag-relax kapag ganito ang kanilang sitwasyon at yan ang binabantayan ni Coach Sunny Jaworski. Balik tayo sa iyo, Yel.
Coach, ayan po, ayon kay Butch Maniego, very confident po ang paglalaro ng Gordon's Gin. Ngayon naman po, pakinggan po natin ang masasabi ni Anthony Suntay tungkol po sa highlights ng laro ng Alaska. Anthony?
Okay, looking at the Alaska side, nakikita natin they started out as planned. They got to a 6-0 lead. Look at these highlights. Johnny Abarento starting like a house on fire, scored the first 6 points. This was his 4th point. Tapos makikita rin natin kumana rin si Bong Hawkins from the outside. Alaska was doing well both inside and outside and of course with their pressure defense. But after a while, things got sour. Nakita natin medyo naipit sila sa depensa. Jojo Lastimosa putting up an air ball and they lost possession. Now looking at the Alaska side, nakikita natin parang nawalan sila ng focus as compared to when I used to see them before. They were so focused, they knew what to do. But unfortunately ngayon, medyo nawala yun. And I'm sure, before the game, sabi ni Coach Tim Con, we need emotion and we need energy. And here in the first half, I didn't see that. Let's go back to you, Yel.
Salamat sa iyo, Anthony. Ayan po, ayon kay Anthony Suntay, kulang po sa focus ang Alaska. Hindi pa po tapos ang Adidas Halftime Report. Magbabalik po kami with the Adidas Halftime Summary. Abangan niyo po yan. Welcome back to the halftime. Let's now turn you over to the panel for the halftime summary.
Thank you very much, Yel. An explosive first half here by the Gordon's Gin Boars. Labang po sila ng 14 puntos over Alaska Milk in Game 2 of the Championship Series. Alalahanin po natin, kung hindi po ninyo alam kung ano nangyari ng Game 1, sa planeta ba kayo galing? Nanalo po ang Gordon's Gin doon sa Game 1. Now they're leading by 14 points. And the high point of that first half, Kinito, I guess, would be the defense na ipinakita ng Gordon's Gin.
That at saka yung offensa din ng Gordons because nabanggit mo, explosive. Well, partner, ito, how more explosive can you get? Gordon shooting 62% from the field at ang depensa naman ng Gordons limiting Alaska to just 43%. Yan po ang ibang mga highlights in terms of numbers. Chris King, 14 points at saka si Noli Locsin, 12 points off the bench yan.
Yes, second quarter na po pumasok si Noli Locsin. Tumikada po ng 12 puntos. Maganda pa ang free throw shooting. So everything falling into place as far as the first half is concerned para sa Gordon's Gin Boars. Yung kwento mo na naman na may kasamang drawing.
Okay, ito naman yung drawing natin. Mga kaibigan, tignan natin ang ating mga screens. And you see here a situation where Alaska will try to isolate Bong Hawkins. Ito, tignan muna natin. Si Hawkins is over here on an isolation play hoping to go one-on-one on Wilmer Ong. At yung mga Alaska players naman nasa labas. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4. At hinahanap nila yung one-on-one. Okay, tignan natin kung anong nangyari sa play na to. Hawkins ang makakakuha ng bola. Subalit mga kaibigan, hindi muna siya magdadrive. Bakit? Ika nyo. Because he is expecting to be double-teamed. Ito naman si Hawkins, he was hoping to be double team para magkikick
Baka,
out siya.
oo.
Pero yung depensa naman ng Gordon's Gin, eto, staying put and not putting the pressure on Hawkins until he comes close to the basket. Eto, tignan natin. Hawkins is now coming in. He's going to put the move on Wilmer Ong. Papasok siya to challenge the defense of Ong. Ngayon na, pumasok ang double team. Stop. Okay, may double team na ngayon kay Marlo Aquino. And Bong Hawkins is looking to Kevin Holland over here to make the shot. Pero mga kaibigan, kukunti na lang ang spacing. Ito ang nangyari. Because of the lack of spacing of Alaska, butata ang nangyari. Marlo Aquino blocking Kevin Holland.
Yan po mga kaibigan, pinag-uusapan natin depensa ng Gordon's Gin. Hindi ka masyado magaling mag-drawing, pero maganda yung istorya mo. Balik tayo kay Yen.
Kasama ko ngayon si Attorney Jopet Season. Attorney, hindi lang pala kaso ang inyong pinag-aabalahan. May time rin pala kayo manood dito. Ano pang tingin nyo sa game na to? Sino bang pinaglalaban natin?
Pinaglalaban ko yung idol ko, si Johnny Abariento sa Tang Alaska. Yan po.
Ano pang tingin nyo sa game? Makakahabol ba Alaska?
Dapat lang hahabol sila.
Maraming salamat sa inyo, Attorney. Enjoy the game.
Thank you and good evening to all PBA fans. Thank you.
At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating Adidas Halftime Report. Ito po si Yal Aguila.
Adidas has just brought you the PBA Halftime Report. The PBA Halftime Report was brought to you by Adidas. Feet you wear.